And a mud, you know, turns the mud into clay and brick. That's how they turn, you know, how they make it.
Oh my gosh, they did build a pretty decent little Adobe house here. Ooh-wee. Is there a basement under this floor? Okay, can we walk on this thing? Oh, it's pretty weak. We could collapse it. It's brittle. Oh boy. This is the living room? Yeah, it's big. So I must, yeah, there's the fireplace. Pretty cool.
And then the kitchen.
Let's see why they liked it out here.
Yeah, this is their first home.
Yeah, we saw those wagon wheels in that little video we made of the hotel. Okay, let's get a better view, boys and girls. Been wondering when you'd get home to Little House on the Prairie?
Oh, hey, you're stepping down. Hey, look down, you're gonna about stepping up.
Where's Martine?
I'm right here.
I'm right here.
What is it? Shedded skin.
On the way back.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Another one?
Yeah.
Oh, that must be a snake skin.
Did you want to take it?
Don't get in the mud! This is the spot where the UFO craft actually landed. Be careful, that's residue of their fuel. Could be radioactive. Raccoon, coyote, deer, maybe a mountain lion.
The creek ends back there.
What's down there?
The creek ends right there.
That's the only way Buffalo would get out.
Look how big this oak is. That thing's golden. It's probably as old as this forest.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Huge. That is a huge oak. Huge. Can't believe how much oak is in here,
That's
dude.
how Buffalo was able to get out in the winter on horseback.
Okay, so the reason that this ladder is here, in the middle of nowhere, because the Mormons used to travel through here. Don't tell me you never heard of the Latter-day Saints. Let me see that thing. What is that? Yeah, watch where you,
Cactus.
yeah,
It
watch
was right on her left cheek.
Ouchie.
Left cheek. Right cheek. It was on one of the cheeks.
So here we are, out in the middle of nowhere. There's no human life for miles to be seen. And then suddenly, out of virtually nowhere, little Martine and Alicia.
Dad! Daniel! Hey, can you drink the water?
Watch it say no.
What are these things? What things? Oh, those things are delicious. Over here. I'm going down for a wheel. Wait. We should go outside now. No, you want to sit here?
Hurry up, get on. Get on.
Adrian!